Alright, we're back finally doing a service call and getting it on film. So, oh boy, look at this. That's crazy looking. Yeah, we got pilot light. Got like a 30-gallon Rheem. Looks like it was leaking from the drain valve at one point, so they took care of that after they cut it away. I don't know if you can see that there. See, they cut it away. Oh, I hope it's not the thermopile, because we're getting no light yet. So what you want to do is check the thermopile voltage, which I'm sure the light didn't stay on. No, the pilot light went out. So you do red to positive, black to negative. Yeah, it's got. It's counting up. But it should be a lot higher than that. So we'll try my voltage. Hopefully it doesn't work. Yeah, that's good. So that means it's probably got a bad circuit board because the voltage, my little voltage box, isn't getting it to kick over. So that's actually good news. Unless the battery's dead. So where are we at? We're hovering around 500, so it's going to drop 100 millivolts while it's running. So that'll drop it down to like the high 300s. That's still super low, but it should be enough to get it to run. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw a different circuit board on there. I no longer have any circuit boards that accept the chamber sensor, so that's the first thing to go. You do get about 100 millivolt boost while the main flame is on, which is nice. And then you lose 100 millivolts because the circuit board uses that electricity, so it kind of balances it out. But then later, when the water heater hits temperature, it'll end up dropping that, but it's still climbing a little bit. So at this point, it doesn't look like the thermopile. It looks like the circuit board. But the only way to know for sure is to put a different circuit board on there, and then while I've got the cover off, I'll test the valve to make sure that it's reasonably healthy. Okay, we're back. I'm starting to think these Rheems are terrible water heaters. Somebody's been into this one because the ribbon wasn't tucked away. It should have been like this. So while we're in here, we'll do an ohm test on the valve. I have had some luck with that lately, doing ohm tests. I've actually been able to find some bad valves that way, so it's been paying off. So we'll Yep. Oh, we'll get 11 again. Yep. So the valve looks like it's good. Here's the battery on it. The battery is kind of useless of a test. It's sort of useful. But pretty much useless. I think it's just hitting it with so much voltage, you know. It's a 9-volt battery. And the total amount of voltage for the thermopile is less than a volt. So I think if you, there's like a relay behind here. If you hit the relay with enough voltage, it's going to react, whether it's good or not. But people swear by it, so I do it anyway. Why not? What's it going to hurt, right? Hopefully. Let's see if this board's any good. Yeah. So that's good. That means my little battery box is still working. This valve came up. It had come up. Oh wait, now it's flashing. Why is it flashing twice? Oh, it's giving low thermopile voltage. Maybe it is getting weak. I don't know. That's weird. Okay, we'll do a shutdown. We'll grab the bad circuit board. What is that? Oh, it's like broken off. Yay. It's going to be really difficult. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we could not get this board to come up. This was the replacement board. So something's going on with it. It's useless. So testing the second circuit board. It appears to be the thermopile, which is bad news because now I gotta try and dig through my truck and see if I can find one. Okay, so we replaced the thermopile. Hopefully that does it. And we got the chamber sensor back as a gift. Let's see if the water heater gods are still in our favor. Oh yeah, I think they are. I came up really fast. That was definitely the thermopile. I think we're in good shape. I got lucky. Some kind of a rickety unit. We pulled the victory from the jaws of defeat. I don't know if you can see up in there. I want to see what that flame looks like. It sounds like some kind of shaky's going on inside there. Just doesn't sound right. So, what happened here today? So, it's basically a bad thermopile. And it just happens, you know, when people work on it, they I don't have the right tool for this, so I'm not going to do that. But this is really dirty. It should be cleaned out. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we will hopefully see you on the next one. And have a great day.